Is Apple's MagSafe Battery Pack that bad of a battery pack? Let's check it out today. Hi, this is David of Tech for Baba, a channel I share my experiences on how technology enhances my time with kids and family as a dad. If this is your first time here, welcome. Please consider subscribing to the channel. In today's video, let's check out Apple's MagSafe Battery Pack and see if it's indeed as bad as many people say it is. To jump to my conclusion first, I actually think it's quite good for what it's designed to do. It's just expensive like all other Apple products. Stay tuned to see what I mean. The battery pack comes in a nice typical Apple package with no tools needed to open. Inside the box, there's just the battery pack, some documents, nothing else. The battery pack feels solid, smooth, and premium as expected. It's in a nice matted white color, but no other color is offered. There's a gray Apple logo on the top, and the top edges are rounded. On the side, there is a lightning port, not USB-C, for charging and an indicator light next to it. Flipping it over, there's a softer rubbery surface with the typical MagSafe magnet patterns. It's a good size at 3.75 inches by 2.5 inches and a bit less than half an inch thick. Weighs about 4 ounces. Not too big and not too heavy, which is good. It basically fits flush on 3 sides of the smallest iPhone 12 or 13 mini. Here it is on my wife's iPhone 12. And on my iPhone 13 Pro Max with a lot of space all around. Looking from the side, it's just a bit thicker than the iPhone. The magnet is strong enough to keep the battery pack attached while not too hard to remove with a little twist. I like how the Apple logo lines up with the one on the back of the iPhone so I can align the battery pack easier. There's a little click sound when connecting and disconnecting the pack from the iPhone. See if you could hear it over YouTube. Seems like the magnets inside shift a bit, but nothing is loose when it's by itself. The battery pack also works with the MagSafe case on the iPhone, like this one from Syndox. I like how it's no longer integrated into a case like the ones before. Since my wife and I can now share a battery pack on different size iPhones as needed. Being an Apple product, the battery pack is well integrated with iOS. It doesn't have a power button and doesn't need one. When connected, it turns on automatically and we get a nice graphic like with the MagSafe charger showing the iPhone being charged and the battery levels of the iPhone and the battery pack. The battery information is also available as part of the battery widget. So far so good, right? From the outside, everything is good except for the lightning port. The battery pack can only be charged by the lightning port. Well, it could also be reverse charged by an iPhone 12 or 13 connected to a lightning port. Reverse charging like this is a first on the iPhone, so that's cool. But charging it like this takes a long time since the phone will be charged up first before the battery pack, which is the right priority. I'd love to see an USB-C port instead for charging, or even better, MagSafe charging, so I don't need to bring a lightning cable just to charge the battery pack. Let's look deeper inside. The battery pack has a 1460 mAh battery at 7.62 volts, which is double the usual voltage. It's equivalent to 2920 mAh at the more conventional 3.81 volts, even at about 3000 mAh. Its capacity is still relatively smaller than third-party battery packs like the ones from Anker or this one from Syndox, which are both 5000 mAh. Apple says this battery pack can provide 70% additional charge for an iPhone 12 or 13 mini, 60% additional charge for an iPhone or iPhone Pro, and only 40% additional charge for the iPhone Pro Max. I've tried it on the iPhone 12 and iPhone 13 Pro Max, and that's pretty much what I got. This battery pack is designed to just tie me over a few extra hours, not to fully charge the iPhone once or let alone many times. It only wirelessly charges the iPhone at 5 watts, which is much slower than the 15 watt maximum with the MagSafe charger. This is slow, but if the battery is meant to stay on the iPhone to extend its overall battery life for a few hours, it doesn't need to charge the phone up quickly. Slower charging is more efficient and keeps the battery temperature low on both the iPhone and the battery pack to prolong their life. It'll even stop charging past 80% if the phone gets too warm for the same reason. It also stops charging when the iPhone battery level reaches 90%. Inside the low power mode toggle, this limit can be overwritten to charge past 90%. The battery pack can also charge any Qi compatible device like my AirPods Pro, which comes in handy. Moreover, it could also work as a wired MagSafe charger. When it's plugged into a 20 watt or higher charger, the battery pack will get charged at 5 watts and charge the iPhone at 15 watts at the same time. So I don't think the Apple MagSafe Battery Pack is bad at all. It's not designed to be the fastest or the most powerful charger. Its priority is battery longevity and efficiency. It's meant to be a reliable, long-lasting, well-integrated extension to iPhone's battery, and it does that very well. What's bad though is the high price tag. At $99 US, it's expensive. If budget is not an issue, or if there's a good sale, check the link in the description below, and you want to use it also as a wired MagSafe charger, this is a good iPhone battery pack. Not bad at all. Just expensive like all Apple products. For a more affordable option at half the price or even less in fact, I'll check out this one from Syndox next. It's more powerful and a bit smaller even. I'll have links to both in the description below if you'd like to check them out. Thanks for watching. If you find any part of this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Have you tried Apple's MagSafe Battery Pack or others? I'd love to hear about your experiences in the comment section below. If you want to see more videos on how technology can enhance our life with kids and family, please subscribe and turn on the bell to be notified when I put out my next video. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, remember to cherish each moment.